Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to pay T-Mobile bill after cancellation. So you can do this through various ways. One is the local T-Mobile store, so you can check if your local store can actually pull up your final bill and allow you to pay it in person. Okay, another one is mail payment, so you may need to send the payment by mail, especially if you have poured out your number and you no longer have access to your account. Okay, and another one would be a phone payment, so you just contact a customer service representative via phone to see if they can facilitate a payment. And look, while your account is likely deactivated after cancellation, some platforms might still allow you to view and potentially make payments, especially for a final bill, even online. Okay? Just keep an eye out for the final bill. Make sure you've received the final bill before attempting to pay, and be aware that you might need to use a different payment method once your account is deactivated. For example, sending a check, according to a T-Mobile community post that I saw. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. So if you found this guide helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.